I will show you how to navigate the Coinbase dashboard and understand your portfolio performance, including realized and unrealized returns. Once you log into Coinbase, on the home screen, you can see your total portfolio value, your return amount, and your percentage return across all time periods. You can filter this view by 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and a lifetime. Your portfolio includes crypto, cash, derivatives, and now new predictions, which we won't cover here. You can select the all or lifetime option and scroll along the graph line to see your investments, deposits, and overall performance over time. To check your returns, click the return number below your portfolio value and select a time period. Realized return means you actually sold or exchanged crypto. This reflects completed transactions. Unrealized return shows what your gain or loss would be if you sold your crypto today, even though no actual sale took place. Total return includes both realized and unrealized returns. If you have any crypto on your watch list, you can select it to see its lifetime price history. This information was recorded in the beginning of 2026, so the prices reflect that time. I'm looking at the Bitcoin here. I can see its price and performance over the same time ranges as my portfolio: 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and a lifetime. The price of Bitcoin has been fluctuating and dropping lately, so you can see a lot of red. For example, as of early February 2026, the Bitcoin price was around $70,000. From over 1 year, its price dropped by $25,622. But the lifetime return, going back to 2014 data that Coinbase is tracking here, is almost $70,000. It would have been super helpful to see a 3-year, 5-year, and 10-year returns here, not just the extremes. If you select the 1-year view and move your cursor along the price line, you can see the prices on each day during the year's peaks and valleys. When you compare this to large or even mid-sized stocks, crypto is much more volatile. That means the price moves up and down much more sharply than regular stocks. It's considered more risky. You can click the Insights option to see market analysis for the crypto you selected and read more background information. At the bottom, you can find key stats for the cryptocurrency you selected, such as market cap, trading volume, and all-time high price. If you want definitions for these stats, select See All and hover over each item to get more details. There is also an advanced trading view with more detailed charts and market data. This is meant for more experienced investors who trade short-term rather than long-term. You can see individual trades and the spread between buyers and sellers. Red prices show sells and green prices show buys. If you want to return to the normal view, deselect the Advanced View button or select the 3x3 icon next to your avatar and choose Coinbase. On the left side, under Home, you can select Trade to see all crypto available to buy or sell. Select Browse or Crypto at the top to view the full list. You can then use the filters at the top to sort by trending cryptocurrencies, top gainers, top losers, or highest trading volume. Select the star on the right of each cryptocurrency to mark favorites so they appear on your home screen. Continue with the full Coinbase guide playlist here. Thanks so much for watching.